All right, we're going to work with trigonometry and bearings. So in navigation and surveying problems, the term bearing is used to specify the location of one point relative to another. The bearing from point O to P is an acute angle, measured in degrees between ray OP and the north side line. So I want to go ahead and look at this first figure in the box below. When you read this, you always read from the north-south line. And how you say this first example is the bearing of P from O. And we talked about the north-south line. And then you have the east to west line that intersects at that right angle. So here's this first example. We have the bearing from O to P is north 40 degrees east. So you would start at the north, find out what that angle is, 40 degrees, and then it's heading to the east. Second example, the bearing from O to P, start at the north, work your way down to 65 degrees, and the direction that they're going is to the west. The third example, the bearing from O to P is 70 degrees southeast. So you're going from the south line 70 degrees. And then it's heading to the east. Each of these bearings has the letters north and south, the measure of an acute angle, and then the letter E or W. So here are the examples written out and explained from what I just talked about. So here's our first example that you might see similar in your first assignment problem set, is use this figure to find each of the following bearings. So we're going to start with example A, bearing from O to B. So here's the origin up to B. So we create that north-south line, and we take that measure of that angle, which is 40 degrees. So the 40 degrees is going to go in the center, the north, and then which direction is that B going? It's going to the west. Change colors. Let's go to example B. So here's your origin, heading off to ray A. So this angle right here from the north is 70 degrees. And it's heading to the east. We're not going to use that angle 20 degrees. We want it always coming from the north. So this total right here is a right angle. So you put the 70 degrees in the center. You're from the north, and the direction you're heading is east. All right, from O to C. So here's your ray. And you're going from the south. So what is this angle right here? Well, this is 75 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 75 would be 15 degrees. So you're heading from the south. This angle from the south is 15 degrees, and the direction you're going is west.